Hello everyone, Samuel from Entrepreneur Education here with another marketing blog. Today we're going to cover what is involved in a marketing proposal or pitch. Now, let us imagine you have an important client asking you for some marketing advice. They run a small coffee shop that averages 50 customers per day, but they are looking to expand. They may say something along the lines of, "We need you to help us increase our customer base by 50%. What are some strategies you can suggest that will help us achieve this goal?" Here, we as marketing specialists can really flex our creative muscles and begin formulating some ideas around their business model. So where do we start? The answer with a marketing proposal. A marketing proposal or pitch is an outline of what you as a marketing specialist can bring to the negotiation table. In other words, it is the bones of what will eventually become your marketing plan. However, there is no point in building a marketing plan until you secure the job with the client. So with the coffee shop example, our challenge is to come up with some ideas that will increase the average of 50 customers served per day to 100 per day. This means that you need to research the market and build some strategies into your proposal that will impress your client. Remember, a pitch is just a concept of what you can offer. Think of it like a resume. It is the first impression you are giving about who you are and what you can do. Now, at this point, you may be asking, whoa, slow down there, partner. I don't even know what a marketing proposal looks like. The good news about this is it really depends on you or the business you work for. Marketing proposals are varied and differ based on numerous reasons. However, here is an example of what it could look like. So we're going to come over here, and first of all, we see a list of contents with what we need to address. Remember, our client is busy running a business, so we need to make sure our pitch is to the point and covers everything we need to say without overloading them with information. First of all is the executive summary. Here we give a snapshot of what the client can expect to find within the remainder of the document. Second comes the situation analysis. What is trending in the market and who are our client's direct competitors? Third, who is the target audience we have identified or target customers, and how can we encourage them to use our client's services? Fourth, what is our client's unique selling points, USI, or what makes them different from the crowd? Here we can even make our own recommendations on what to improve or what we think will help them reach that goal that they have. Fifth, offers. What offers can we propose the coffee shop includes in their day-to-day operations, and how will they help achieve the client's needs? Sixth, what are the promotional strategies they might use, and how are we marketing them? Will they be online, print, or both? Seventh, how will we implement these promotions and when? So here we would put something like, here are the promotions we're doing, and these are the dates that we expect to start putting those into place. Eighth, what are the conditions of working together? Our client and business agreement. Is everyone on board with what we've agreed to, and is everyone aware of what needs to be done? And last of all, the acceptance, where your client will sign their agreement of your proposal. So they agree with everything and they put it all down, they do a little signature at the bottom, and that's when you as a company can start going and making a marketing plan. But that is a blog for another day. Now, keep in mind that this is just an example of what a marketing proposal looks like, and different companies have their own versions of this, like I said before. At the end of the day, the objective is to convince the client to work with us and provide a vision for what our marketing plan needs to look like. All right, that's all from me, and until the next blog, have a great day.